Hello, welcome to New Crypto Coin. Thank you for following our channel. Thank you for your support. I wanted to do a video on wallets with everything that's been going on with exchange hacking and system upgrades on Binance and people not able to access their coins. I just want to remind you guys it's very important to have a secure wallet to store your coins in outside of exchanges. I want to remind you guys not to store your coins on exchanges due to hacking and security issues and just DNS attacks and all sorts of attacks. And a lot of the downsides of having a central place to store your money. So in crypto, storing your money is your responsibility. You can't rely on a bank, to insure your money. There's no insurance in crypto. There's no bank. You are the bank. You need to control your money, secure your money in a safe place. So I want to give you a couple of options of wallets that are for crypto that can help you secure your money. Now, one thing you're going to need to know, before we get into this video, I want you guys to like the video, subscribe to the channel. I appreciate your support. You need to know the difference between a coin and a token. And I want to get into that real quick. So a coin, if you go on CoinMarketCap here, and you click on a coin, if you click on top 100 coins, right? Let's say you click on Bitcoin. Bitcoin is a coin, and it'll say it here, it's mineable, it's a coin. Usually when it's a coin, you have to download that wallet for that coin. Ripple is a coin. You got to download a Ripple wallet to store the Ripple. Neo is a coin. You have to download the Neon wallet to store the Neo. So those are things you're going to need to know when you're looking for wallets. So if you go under coins, you're going to find out that you probably need to get a separate wallet for these. If you click on tokens, tokens are usually things that are built on the Ethereum platform 90% of the time. Sometimes there's other platforms like Wave and Omni. As you can see, EOS is an Ethereum token. So you can store that on a place like MyEtherWallet, which MyEtherWallet will store any Ethereum ERC20 token. Tron is an Ethereum token. You can store that at MyEtherWallet. Guys, I also want to say, so I think that MyEtherWallet is probably your best bet for Ethereum tokens online. It's a hot wallet. You can buy it on the exchange and then transfer it here right away. You want to make sure that the address says MyEtherWallet LLC US and it says HTTPS www.myetherwallet.com. That's where you're on the right site. Don't get, like it says here, please bookmark this site. Don't get into the wrong site. Also, you need to install EAL or MetaMask or Kryptonite. I use MetaMask. That's probably one of the best ones to use. You can also download this here, which is the MyEtherWallet Chrome extension. I have that as well. You can use that. But MyEtherWallet is your best online Ethereum wallet. And if you want to know, can you transfer a token to MyEtherWallet, you will come to CoinMarketCap, click on tokens, and look up your token and find out if you could transfer it over. You'll find that a lot of coins are Ethereum tokens. Binance Coin, OMG, Icon, VeChain, Tron, Status, Walden, KuCoin, ZRX, Archain, Gas, Kyber Network, Loopring, Dragon Chain, Nebulous, Cash, Ethos, Power Ledger, Pillar, Dent. All of these coins here are just ERC20 tokens that you could transfer to MyEtherWallet. You don't have to keep these on the exchanges. Now there are ones like Red Pulse, which is a Neo token. You have to download the Neon wallet, which is the Neo wallet. Let me see if I can show that to you guys. You just go Neo wallet. The Neon wallet is, and this is what you would use to store your Neo tokens. I think it can handle any of the NEP5 tokens from Neo, like Red Pulse, Neo, Trinity, Deep Brain Chain is another one, another Neo token. As you can see though, there's tons of tokens that are just ERC20 tokens. So you can store most of those on the Q-Link is another Neo token. But as you can see, most of these are Ethereum tokens. There's Wave tokens too. But most of the tokens here are Ethereum tokens. So you probably can move, I would say, 50 to 70% of your coins off exchanges to MyEtherWallet probably right away. You just create a new wallet. Make sure you save your private key and your password somewhere outside of your computer. Maybe print it out, save it in a safe place. Always remember to keep your private key. you will need the password and private key to unlock your wallet. You click here to create a new wallet. It tells you how to create a new wallet here. Download your key store file, save it to a USB drive. Print your paper wallet backup. Write the private key on a piece of paper. Copy and paste your address into a test document somewhere. All of these are things you could do to back up your key. They cannot recover your key. Once you lose your key, you lose your money. So you really want to keep your key in 3 different places, guys. You want to keep it on paper. You want to keep it on the USB drive. You want to keep it in 3 different places so you can have it to access it. Because if you lose your key, there's no way you can get back into your wallet and you lose your money. So you don't want to do that. But my ETH wallet is a great place to store ETH tokens. I want to give you a second option, which is Exodus. Exodus is a beautiful desktop wallet that stores a lot of tokens. I think they have stored about 30 blockchain assets, but this is just a beautiful wallet. It really is a beautiful wallet, and I think you guys should check it out. You can store Bitcoin, Ethereum, all sorts of really cool things, coins on here. As they add more support, I think this will be the go-to desktop wallet. It is a beautiful, I think it's the best desktop wallet. You can go to https://exodus.io, and I think it's the best desktop wallet that you can get. It's really great. Let me just show you guys the demo video on it. You can check it out for yourself.
Hi, I'm Daniel, the co-founder of Exodus. I'm going to show you in 2 minutes how Exodus makes it easy to manage blockchain assets. Exodus is an all-in-one app that holds your private keys. There are no hosted servers. This approach not only protects your financial data, it gives you total control. Exodus shows your portfolio visually. As you can see here, I hold 28% Bitcoin, 37% Ethereum, and the rest in Dogecoin, Dash, and Litecoin. Click on Wallet, then the name of each blockchain asset to view individual account balances. To receive funds, click the Receive button. Exodus generates an address that is now ready to accept deposits. To send funds, Exodus allows you to send to a QR code. In one click, send your entire account balance. Or, if you feel more comfortable working in dollars, Exodus will translate the amount needed. As you use Exodus, you'll soon want to look at more information about your transactions. Clicking a transaction will open details as well as a transaction ID that you can click to view the transaction directly on the blockchain. One of the best parts of Exodus is the built-in exchange. In this example, I'm going to exchange Litecoin for Dogecoin. Simply type the amount of Litecoin you would like to exchange, or if you feel more comfortable working in dollars, Exodus will translate the amount of Litecoin needed. Once you view the confirmation banner, click Exchange. All the technical details of the exchange, including address management, is built into Exodus. This makes exchanges quick and easy for new users just getting into blockchain assets for the first time. That was just a quick overview of Exodus. If you'd like to explore more, download Exodus today to start diversifying your blockchain asset portfolio.
Alright, that's the review of Exodus, a little demo video of Exodus. Just a really cool desktop wallet. And I think if they supported more coins, they could become the all-in-one go-to app for blockchain assets. It's really amazing. Well, right now, that was my desktop wallet. My Ether wallet is your online wallet. I want to give you guys the Neon wallet is your wallet for the Neon coins coming off the Neon blockchain. That's one of my favorites for that. I want to give you guys the Ledger Nano S. That is going to be your go-to cryptocurrency hardware wallet. Hardware wallets are the most secure. Your private keys will be on this Ledger Nano S. Your coins will still be on the blockchain, but your keys will be on the Ledger Nano S, and there's no way to access your keys without a code. So, with the printing, someone can access your keys by finding your file. with the saving it on your desktop or notepad. Someone can hack into your computer and get your keys or whatever. But with the Ledger Nano S, your keys are securely stored on this cryptocurrency hardware wallet that only with a pen can you get into to see the keys. So it's pretty amazing. Now, right now, the Ledger Nano S is on pre-orders, out of stock till March 27th. That is definitely something that you want to get, but right now it's out of stock. The good thing about the Ledger Nano S is it supports a broad range of cryptocurrencies, and I think this is why it is the most, it is the favorite desktop. It's the favorite hardware wallet right now in the market, and where it's sold out. It is just basically the one that's the most recommended, and it does support a lot of coins as well. Zcash, Dash, Ripple. These are coins that it supports. Kimono, Ethereum Classic, Vertcoin, Pivx, Arc, Expanse, Viacoin, Neo. That's a big one, supporting Neo, Quantum, Digibyte, Stellar, Bitcoin Gold. So it supports a lot of coins. And you can also tie in the Ledger Nano S with My Ether Wallet. I think a lot of people use that combination. So you can manage your ERC20 tokens with your Ledger Nano S or your Ledger Nano Blue. So that's pretty important, that you can manage both. How would you like to access it? And they'll give you the addresses that you like to manage and interact with. So it allows you to manage your coins on My Ether Wallet, but also secure them on the Ledger Nano S. Now, like I said, there's a backlog with this. So if you can order one and get one, great. But until then, you're going to need a place to store your coins. And I think the best place to store your coins until you get the Ledger Nano S in the mail is going to probably be your My Ether Wallet and Exodus will be your best two options. I would say also, do not buy Ledger Nano S from Amazon. Try to buy it directly from the manufacturer by going to https://ledgerwallet.com, products Ledger Nano S, because we don't know at Amazon if it's a used copy, if someone has tampered with it or anything like that. So you want to go directly to the manufacturer to get your Ledger Nano S. I'm sure they're going to have a lot of orders, and I'm sure they're going to try to make more. But yeah, definitely those are your wallet options, guys. I cannot stress enough, do not keep your money on exchanges. There's been quite a few exchange hacks lately. I would just say do not keep your money on exchanges. Definitely do not keep your money on exchanges, guys. You definitely want to move your money off exchanges. So immediately, if it's the ERC20 token, immediately move it off the exchange, move it to My Ether Wallet. If it's not an ERC20 token and it's a coin, try to download the wallet for that coin from the website. If it's, let's say it's a coin. So I'll give you an example here. Let's go to a coin. Let's click on, a lot of people say, oh, Stellar, here's a common one. Stellar, it's a coin, right? So you would go to the Stellar website and you would go click on wallet, right? And you would try to download it. See, Stellar's giving you options. Here's the wallets that can hold Stellar. Obviously, Ledger's there. But they're saying, okay, you need a desktop wallet. You could try one of these 4. Mobile wallets, you could try one of those 4. Web wallets, you could try one of these 4. They're giving you options. So in this case, you would probably have to wait till you get your Ledger. Or use one of these other wallets here. But here, most of these coins will say wallet on the website, and you could download the wallet to find where you can store the coins at besides using the exchange. So that's just an example. Stellar's an example of a coin that people say, well, I don't know where to get the wallet from. Go to the website of the coin. They'll let you know where to get the wallet from for the coin. Bitcoin Gold. I think Bitcoin Gold is also on... isn't Bitcoin Gold on Exodus? I believe it is. But let's just check it out real quick. If you go to bitcoingold.org, most of the time you will see, click on downloads here, you will see Bitcoin Gold Wallet. So you can just click on the wallet and then you transfer your money there. You download it and transfer your money there. But the good thing about it is I believe Exodus has Bitcoin Gold. Yep. Welcome Bitcoin Gold status and more. So you could just use your Exodus desktop wallet, transfer your Bitcoin Gold to there. So Exodus is growing. They're getting more assets as well. So Exodus is welcome Bitcoin Cash, Civic, Exodus Salt, welcome Funfair, District X, Ethereum Classic. So all of those are good signs because it's saying, hey, Exodus is growing. So yeah, guys, those are your options for wallets. I'm sure there's other wallets out there. Those are just the ones that I like and the ones that I use. Exodus, My Ether Wallet, the Ledger Wallet, and the Neon for the Neon coins, for Neo coins. Guys, comment below. Let me know what you think of the video, how I can make it better. Guys, thank you for your support. Thank you for supporting New Crypto Coin. Follow us on Twitter. We're also on YouTube and Instagram. Had a brain forgetting where we're at, but yeah, we're on Twitter, New Crypto Coin. We're on Instagram, New Crypto Coin, and we're on YouTube, New Crypto Coin. Where most likely you'll find the newest coins posted on Twitter first. Then we make a video, you'll find it on YouTube, and then we'll post it on Instagram. But guys, thank you for following New Crypto Coin. Thank you for your support.